Welcome back to our channel. So, siguro mga last month nag-start mag-collect yung mga bata nung Blackies na Transformers. So, lagi namin nabibilis yung version 1 tsaka version 2. Ngayon napansin namin, paulit-ulit na yung nakukuha nila. So, parang ayaw na rin nila. O, dumodoble-doble na. Kaya, experiment kami ngayon. So, sa Toy Express, meron pa silang available na isang box. So, ang laman nito is 12. Nabili lang namin siya sa halagang 1,188. Okay, so 99 isa. So, gusto lang namin i-experiment kung may nauulit ba sa isang box. And syempre, pag binabot namin to, bibiruin muna namin sila. Okay, so see you. So, tamang-tama nag-grocery din kami. Ang una muna namin iaabot yung favorite na sausawan ni Kian kasi sinabi namin may surprise kami sa kanila. Tsaka yung favorite cheese naman ni Kilo. Tingnan natin yung reaction nila mamaya. No, baby? Smile. Smile. Favorite nyo to, di ba? As in favorite nyo, anak. Sobrang favorite nyo to.
Turtles or rice?
Pwede naman. Okay. Wait lang. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Ay, nakabiyata ka sa si Kaylo.
I'm not do like this.
Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Wow!
Pabili mo kay Daddy?
Di ba yun yung favorite mo? Yung pinapabili mo?
Huh?
Tapos yung cheese mo?
Thank you po.
Okay.
Thank you po.
Kain na tayo?
Yan na yan?
Kain na tayo?
Oh.
Yee.
Totoo ba yung thank you? Na-appreciate ba talaga?
Appreciative naman ng dalawang yan.
Daddy.
Oh.
Okay, ikaw na ako. Ikaw na.
Ano?
Close your eyes ulit. Close your eyes.
What's your rice? Yeah.
1, 2. Nakasilip si Kaylo.
1, 2, 3. Open your eyes. Tissue! Tissue! Tissue!
Oh! Oh! Wow! Thank you! Thank you, Mommy, Daddy, love you. Let's go! Thank you, Mommy, Daddy.
That's third gen,
That's version 3, anak.
Yeah, alam ko. Nakita ko kasi ito kasi I think it's rare. I don't know.
Okay? Huwag yung open nyo. Unbox natin ng maganda. Okay?
Oh, results exam.
Ha? Wala pa result yung exams?
Tapos wala kayong pasok tomorrow.
Wait, really?
Yes.
Yeah! Let's go. What's inside? Can you open it?
Ito, ito.
Shoes. Yun yung yun yung yung transformer that there's a
Kasama
dinosaur.
siya.
Oo, kasama
That-
siya.
So, ilan to?
There's 12, there's 12.
12. Okay?
Well, yeah.
Yeah,
Don't put it outside on the box. I want to open it. Type Bloomlock. Special Galaxy type sound wave. SG
Yan yung
Optimus
feeling ko bagay
Prime.
sa'yo.
Proper vehicle. Mixmaster vehicle. Long haul vehicle.
Gagamitin mo pang
Bloomlock.
patakbo.
Sound wave.
Yan.
Skywarp.
So, ayan. Binuksan ko lahat. Kinuha ko lang muna yung mga cards. So, dun sa buong box, walang naulit. Di ba? So, I suggest, pag lumabas yung version 4, isang box ulit ang bilhin para walang maulit. Di ba, Caleb? Okay, so, bibigay ko na sa kanila. Yung isa doon, ayaw ma-surprise. Gusto ng surprise, kaya ayaw makita. Pero itatago ko na yung mga cards. So, it's all yours, anak. Pagka nabuo nyo na, then bibidyoan ko lahat yung gagawin nyo, okay? Are you ready?
Yes!
Hey, yan. Ayun na.
It's a surprise.
Surprise. Tago ko yung cards. Tago ko yung cards.
1, 2, 3, go. Hello guys, we're unboxing unboxing the version 3 of the Defender version of Defender version 3 of the Transformers blind box, and we have 12 of them. Yeah. Whoa. I got this guy right here. The rare one right
Can you
there.
give me Autobot?
The special Galaxy type. Oh my goodness. Galaxy type even comes
Assistant. Assistant.
even comes out
Pwede
with,
sa'yo, Kian.
oh my goodness. Cause it comes out with a tiger.
Ano yung mga nakuha niya?
I got
Ito. Yan. Shockwave, sound.
Sa yung box mo.
guys, it's kind of hard not gonna learn this. One is harder. Oh no.
Yan, ito.
Thank you. Thank you. There guys, oh my goodness. It looks like a dinosaur.
Ilan pa?
Four more boys. So this is all we got in the Defender version 3 blind box.
Thank you.
Thank you.